What's up, my good people? What's up? So today we're gonna make a Afrobeat South African flavor. You know that Black Diamond type beat. So without wasting any time, let's go. Let's start on C. We'll change it. Now let's start with a major chord. Simple. So we're just gonna go back here. So from here we're gonna select this middle notes and highlight up. So what we are going to do right now is replace this. I think we should use Mark 1. Yeah, I think Mark 1. I think we can select this ones. Select you. I think we also want you, and Alt S. Now let's go to a Afrobeat instrument. I'm a piano, like I'm a piano pack. We can, come up with something nice. Yeah, something like this. We can use this thing. This is nice, isn't it? Yeah? What are we doing now? Okay. You get the vibe, right? You get. fast. Yeah. Call it a free beat, okay, let's just call it free FLP. So this is going to be free. All you gotta do is subscribe to the channel, please. Oh, sorry for that, but yeah, please subscribe to the channel so that we can make more videos, you know. One. Oh, let's not do this. Let's just boost it. Yeah. Oh, yeah. So right now we're just gonna cut the bass. Just gonna make room for the bass. So we're just gonna use arcade right now. Hey guys, please bear with me. I'm not using my regular. Please wait for me. Okay. Where's my Wi-Fi? But yeah, anyway, let's work. King on what? Everything is on minor. What? Oh, major. They call me major. They call me major. Guys, please bear with. Please. Very simple, very easy. Yeah, hey guys, let's see what's going on. What is going on? I should what are we doing? So we're just gonna and take it down. So let's add. What can we add right now? What can we add? What can we add right now? Oh, Nexus off. No, we don't want to use Nexus. Let's just use Nexus. Nexus, no. Picky, Mabelani. What we did, you use it. Let's use We can use any plugin. I wanna know what's going on. Hypersonic. Do you remember Hypersonic? Ah, this plugin is the best. Piano people, they know. Piano. Nah, let's just use that slide. What's that thing? Or slice bass or something? Yeah. Yeah. Nah, let's just do my mouse, guys, please buy me a better mouse. This is nice. I'm no more. I just make beats, but this one is very attempting. Yeah? It wants me to see, and me I don't want it. You know, like guys. So guys, I think we're gonna wrap it. You know the drill. You know, we're just gonna stop here. What you can do, you can download this zip for free. You can finish this beat. This beat is yours. Yeah. Just subscribe, guys. Subscribe. I will not finish this beat, but you will finish this beat. I'm giving you this beat for free. Like, I'm giving you this for free, dog. All you gotta do is subscribe. Subscribe to the boy so that we can get a 1K subscribers, so that we can start monetizing or whatever. Yeah. So yeah, I'm just gonna save this for my subscribers and those who don't subscribe, who just watch me. Please subscribe, guys. So I'm just gonna free FLP zip and please sub. Like, come on, guys. So yeah, see you on the next one. Oh guys, I'll finish this beat later on, and I'm gonna post it as a free beat, and I'm also gonna give you this free FLP zip, whatever, so that you can do whatever you want to do. Just, you know, yeah. Subscribe. Stop recording.